Hi, my name is Josh Klein, and this is a quick demo of Dent Repair Customers Plus. So let's dive in. When you first log in, you have your dashboard here, and all these stats are reported automatically as leads from every source come into the system. We integrate things like your website, your Google business profile, Facebook, Instagram, any lead source you have will automatically come into the system and report all the way through. It gets more granular as you go down. See the types of form submissions we get with photos, and there's a nice lead source report here to show you every source, where the leads are coming from, and what leads are actually closing, so where the money comes from. We have automated opportunity pipelines. This is where the leads initially populate, and they move through the stages automatically throughout the sales process, from when they first contact you to scheduling their appointment, getting reminders, all the way through to sending the review request and tracking your ROI. We have an entire payments portal that replaces any other estimating software out there. Creating estimates from here will automatically turn into invoices once customers sign. Kind of works like DocuSign. We have documents and contracts where we can import outside estimates if you use other quoting software. We have systems where you can import external estimates and pull in all the records to Customers Plus automatically. If you prefer something a little more simple for estimates, you can just drag and drop them here to import them, send it directly to the customer, and this will extract all the data and import it to the fields here. Or you can generate a brand new one on the fly with this simple form. It'll pull in all the customer's information for you automatically. You can just type in the items and the price, any types of discounts, and send. That's all you got to do. And lastly, with estimates, we have estimate requests where you can get more detailed information and images from anyone requesting a quote. We also have the most robust automation system on the market, and as a special offer for our dent repair clients, we provide a full system of all the automations ready to go. And just recently, we also released Workflow AI. It's an AI companion that will actually help you create your own simple automations as you go. Your account will also come with unlimited websites and funnels if needed. We can also integrate with WordPress, Squarespace, or any other existing website with our forms, surveys, QR codes, chat widgets, AI live chat, you name it. And we also have internal WordPress hosting if you want to try to keep everything in one place. There is just so much more to this app. We also have a mobile app for management on the go. We have complete call reporting, call tracking, SMS, email, WhatsApp, Facebook messages, Instagram messages, and so much more. It makes communicating with your customers an absolute breeze from one central location. And one of the last things I want to touch on today is our AI employee. It's completely free until December 31st. Then you can pay for it usage-based optionally after that. But it includes voice AI agents, conversation AI for text, Facebook, all the conversation methods I just mentioned. It will respond to your reviews. It can create funnels and landing pages for you, write your content and images, and also teach you how to build workflow automation. And when you sign up for Dent Repair Customers Plus, you get unlimited of all of these features, and you can also add unlimited team members as you grow. And I'm actually going to have to switch sides to show you the best part of all. Not only do we provide this entire platform, but we pump leads into the system for you every single month, like clockwork, directly from Google. You can see here in just the last 30 days, all these campaigns and our cost per lead, our conversion rates overall are 20%. These are all Dent Repair campaigns across the country. Great conversions, great cost per leads. Our average is about $10 to $15 per lead, and we put these directly in your account every month. So whether you're just looking for better tracking, organization, or easy communication, or if you're just looking to grow your dent repair business, Dent Repair Customers Plus is the one and only solution for you. Find the link somewhere around this video for an exclusive 30% off every single month for life.